So, how to make present tense? First chart, contracted form. So, rules is not really difficult, Drop down and see the vowel, yeah. But there's many irregulars and also contracted forms, so let's take enough time to understand properly. Okay? So this time we will study first one, contracted form. Okay? So let's start. 자, conjugation rule number 1, drop down from basic form. This rule, same for all the grammar, all the conjugation. Why? Because all the adjective verb finished in 다. 만들다, 받다, 일하다. 가다, 사다, 비싸다, 오다, 보다, 주다, 배우다, 나나나. So, rule first one, always drop the from basic form first. Rule number 1. Okay? So, rule number 2, we have to see the vowel. Adjective, verb, stem, vowel. Always the last one, not the first one. Always the last one. Okay? If it's AO, we add IO. If it's not AO, we add OO. And the verb or adjective finish in 하다. Just change, 해요. Change. Okay? This one. So let's see. To make 만들다. Rule number 1. Drop the from basic form. Drop the. We don't need the 다. Okay? So rule number 2, see the vowel verb stem. Not this one, always the last one here. What is the vowel? It's right? Here, So if it's not o, we have to add oyo. Yeah. So 만들 oyo. 만들 어요. This is present tense. Done. No irregular, no contractive form. Done. 만들어요. Next one. 받다. To receive. 들어다. From basic form. See the vowel. 자, vowel is 아. This one 아. If it's 아오, add 아요. 받아요. Done. It's present tense. 받아요. Next one. 일하다. To work. 일하다. Or there is 하다, finish 하다, just change. 해요, 일해요. 자, this is present tense. 일해요, is, right? 자, 그런데 some verb or adjective we have to contract it. We have to make it short. When, I will explain to you. When the vowel is like this. For example. 가. Okay? So no 받침, okay? There is no 받침. Just consonant and vowel are plus one more are. 자, in this case we need to contract it. Why? Because here first consonant 이응 has no sound. This one has no sound, right? So let's consider there's nothing. So 가, 아. The vowel is the same. 가. One more. O. How to pronounce this? O. How to pronounce this? 아. O. 아. O. 아. 오아. Why? Because the vowel is O and the first consonant 이응 has no sound. And just vowel. 아. Let's see the vowel. O, 아, 와. So it become 와. Okay? 자, 잠깐만요. 자, for example, first contracted, this one. To go. 가다. 자, basic form is 가다. Okay? 자, rule number 1. drop the from basic form. drop the. And see the vowel. The vowel is a, right? A. When it's a, we have to add 아요, 가요. 자, 그런데 first consonant has no sound, and the vowel a is the same. a become 가요, 가요. Contract. 가요. This is present tense. 가요. One more. 사다. To buy. 사다. 자, rule number one. drop 다. See the vowel. 아. So we have to add 아요. 아요. Has no sound. Same vowel. So we have to make contracted. 사요. This is present tense. 사요. Okay? 비싸다. Same. 비싸다. 비싸다. Expensive. 비싸다. 들었다. The vowel is a. So 아요. 아요. Here. Has no sound. Same vowel. It becomes 싸. 비싸요. This is present tense. 비싸요. So 주다, 주다. To give. 주다, 주다. 들었다 from basic form. 자, vowel is 우. It's not 아, 오. So we have to add 어요, 어요. 자, has no sound. And what is the vowel? 우, 어. What does it look like? 워, 워. 주어, 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 주어. 줘요. This is present tense. To give. 줘요. 줘요. 마시다. To drink. drink. 마시다. Rule number one. 들었다. And the vowel. Not this one. Always last vowel. Last one. Last syllable. Vowel is E. It's not 아오. So 어요. 어요. 자, this one has no sound. 시, 어. Vowel E, vowel 어. How it sounds like? 이어, 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 여, 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 여. So 마셔요. Vowel E, vowel 어 become 여. 마셔요. Present tense. 마셔요. 자, this one. Last one. 보내다. 보내다. To send. To send or to spend. 보내다. 들었다. From basic form. 보내. Last syllable. Vowel is not 아, 오. So I have to add 어요. 자, in this case, it's not about the sound. It's just rule. 에, 어, contracted. 에, 어, become just 에. Okay, so 보내요. 자, has no sound. 에, 어, become just 에. Okay, 보내요. Present tense. So chart 1, contracted form. You have to study this one. Okay. So next time we're going to study. I will start irregular. Irregular. irregular is also about the contracted, but there is irregular, like the 받침 change, okay, or vowel drop, something like this. So next time we will study irregular.